Hello everyone. This overview is going to cover peer evaluations and group assignments for the course. So if you'll scroll over to assignments and down to group strategic planning project, you'll see a submodule called team builder and peer evaluations. I will be using a software called CATME, C-A-T-M-E. You can see that listed here, and we'll go ahead and click the link out to that. For peer evaluations and to do your team assignments. Now you will be, once I input everyone into the CATME program, you will be receiving an email to create an account with CATME. So please go ahead and do so, and if you're having any issues creating that account, please let me know. I want to encourage everyone to go in and view 3 videos when you're able, but logging in as a student user, the overview of the Team Maker system, and then how to complete your online peer assessments. So we will be doing 2 peer assessments for the course of the semester. You will be doing a midpoint peer assessment, and that is going to occur the week after spring break, so be looking for that to come out. That will be an automatic email sent out to your etsu.edu email account, and everyone will be required to do that. And you will be required to do an end of semester peer evaluation on each member of your group to see what the progression was from midpoint till now. This is a very group work heavy class, so I really want to encourage everyone to kind of find your rhythm and work within your group dynamics, because the group peer evaluations overall will be factoring into your final grade. Now they will be just a very small portion of your final grade, and I'll bring that up here on our syllabus, but they will count for a very small portion of your final grade. For your strategic planning project. So let's scroll down here. If you'll note in the syllabus, this is on goes from page 7 over into page 8. But each group member will evaluate other group members regarding their level of participation in the project. And this is to ensure that everyone works equally in the project and kind of carries an equal load here, because I want to make sure everyone is learning something. So your peer evaluation is going to amount for 2% of the plan grade. Now if you look up, the plan overall is 25% of your final grade in the class. Your peer evaluation is going to count for 2% of that 25%, and your narrative submission, the plan overall, is going to carry the bulk at 98% of that 25%. I know it may sound a little confusing, but just stick with me here. Again, just to sum it up, that 2% is 2% of 25% of your plan, not 2% of your overall grade in the course. This is just for the plan overall. 98% of your strategic plan grade will come from your narrative submission. So let's scroll back to course information. We'll go back into assignments, down to group strategic planning project, and then look again at team builder and peer evaluations. Now team builder will send you an automatic email out, and it's going to ask you a series of questions based on some different criteria, and you'll be grouped together based on how you answer questions in that criteria. And it's going to be, it's better explained in this overview of the Team Maker system video, but this is to help you guys coordinate schedules. So it's going to ask you, what is your availability generally through the week? Are you someone who can only work Monday through Friday in the afternoons? Or are you someone who only has availability on the weekends to work? And what I'm going to try to do is put you together based on availability, so that there's no conflict with, when can you meet, and this group member could never meet at this time, to hopefully alleviate some of that. And then again, your peer assessments, this video here goes over the peer assessments for students. So we will be using CATME for purposes of this course for team building or team making, team assignment, and then we will be using CATME for peer assessments twice throughout the course. And I will make announcements throughout the semester on the news feed of when those are due, and just, to make sure that you stay up to date. Now, your groups, if they show on CATME, you can see them there, but I also will put you, based on the results out of CATME, I will put you in groups here under communication. Navigate over to groups, and you will see what group you're assigned in with your strategic planning project group. So this student is assigned to group 6. There's 4 members to a group, and so you can click on there, you can see who's in your group, you can email them and communicate back and forth with them, and then you can also click to see your drop boxes that are available. Or maybe not from that one, but you can go to evaluation Dropbox and see what drop boxes are available. So every group is going to have group worksheets for your drafts, group worksheets for your final, and then your strategic planning paper and presentation. If there's any issues, CATME is a fairly new program for me to use in class, so if there's any issues, please let me know as soon as you encounter an issue. That way we can troubleshoot it together. But I think this will help alleviate some issues that you may have seen in other classes in terms of group projects, and as well as peer evaluations. The benefit with the peer evaluations here is there's some really detailed criteria that you can grade each other on or rate each other back on. And the great thing about CATME is it will send you an email to tell you how to improve in certain areas, in certain criteria, so that you can continually build your skills as a group member and as a student. Again, if there's any questions regarding CATME, peer evaluations, and Team Builder, please let me know.